How's it going, guys? I am back in my garage. It's been a while and doing something that I think is pretty exciting. I have not a clue what order any of my videos will be going up in. I'm currently in the middle of doing my first marathon, like the last week of my first marathon training, as well as some car stuff, which I'm pretty excited about. Not really done any car stuff on my channel before, but I should have put out the video saying that I got what is an amazing car in my opinion, like my dream car. I've been trying to buy one for over a year now, 18 months at least, and it's a Civic EG, an old Honda Civic EG, 1995. I'll think the Honda scene's brilliant, think all the Honda stuff's class. My bike was a Honda, I think it's brilliant. So what I've got today is I've tidied up. I wish I'd kind of filmed it a bit more. What I've got are these rear trailing arms for the EG, disc swap, putting 242 discs on the rear. I'll stick up a picture of what these looked like beforehand. They actually look pretty good now. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm trying not to, I'm a student, I've not got all the cash to spend on it, but I've splashed out a bit and got hardrace bushings for them. Here, of course, sticker, so you know it's real. Yeah, got hardrace bushings for them. I am lucky enough that I don't really have many of the tools that I'm going to be needing. What my plan is, I'm hopefully going to be getting a garage space of my own that I can strip the car. I'm wanting to do the bodywork myself. I've got big plans for it when I clean it up, make it just a nice solid EG. But it's going to be a long process, and I know that, so I'm starting here. What I'm saying is, I'm rambling on again, what I'm saying is I've got friends that have presses and lifts and welders and things that I can use, but I'm going to try and do the work that I can do here. So basically in this video, and I'm sure you can hear the rain, I'm realising now I'm as well waiting on the rear trailing arm proper tool for taking the bushings in and out, and what else I've got are some skunked to lower control arms, which, they could be, but it's debatable. I'm not really caring though. I've got new bushings for them, gonna tidy them up, gonna build them, and then whenever I can get a use of a lift. I know I'm being a bit picky by getting the shot of a lift, but I've got one that I could get the shot of, so I'm gonna try and get that, and then stick the discs on and the lower control arms, and hopefully it'll be riding a wee bit smoother. I've got a big list of things that I want to do to it, so hopefully that'll all be coming, like coils, as I'm saying, bodywork's a priority. It is a 25-year-old car, so it's rusty as anything, but it'll come. This video is just showing off my tidied up rear trailing arms, drilling out those bushings, building up the new lower control arms, and hopefully this is just an intro to putting them on as well. time to get number 2 out.
See what happens with the right.
Wood's gonna go. See it.
Come on, baby! What?
Hey, the wood's going. Stop rid of my wood.
I just let go of this thing.
Stop, you. It's not going.
I'll put that back metal across it. Use my wood back, you bastard.
Hey, I'm getting YouTube famous. I've had enough. Is this on?
Aye. Wood. Solid pieces.
It's one now.
You thread it half. That goes up for it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Try and slide that. Will that slide it?
Chap, right?
This goes now.
Right, not got that bit.
Okay, cool. Right. If I double line that, I'll still be able to get that metal plate onto it. Put your phone in it, see what happens. That metal plate there. Yeah, we can't see it.
Protection. My face.
Hit me. Aye, send it. I told you it would be an 11. Oh my god, it's a 12. I get 12. Whoa, you're absolutely worried after. But you see, like reverse it once it comes out, then soak it back in. That'd be sick.
Full thing just rips out.
Now we might be able to put the fucking hanger over it, know what I mean?
Aye.
Aye, I'm here for you.
One to go. Thanks, Harry. Whoa. So I'm going to call the video there. Thanks again to Harry for helping me get the rear trailing arm bushings in. They're all ready to go on now. I've got a few wee things coming up for the next videos. I've got coils and a few wee extras for the EGE to go on. But I've also got a couple of more exciting things which are possibly in regards to boost and maybe new engines and that sort of thing. So, but as I say, I'm going to call it there. Cheers for watching.